My name's James Johnson, upholstery lead for Westar at Chattanooga location. Typically in our upholstery shop, we start off with a customer's concept photos that we get from our design center. Once we've received the concept pictures, we go through and we will disassemble, strip down the seats, and then we can either rebuild foam or we can retain your foam, and then we'll make covers for the seats and install and make them look beautiful. We can do partials, we can also do a full interior completion. We can do crew seats, just the vans, just cabin seats, or we can redo the full interior as far as any of the upholstery. We have customers that have special requests that they want to pull from other aircraft that they either have or that they've seen, and they give us the concept and we make it come true. So what we have here is a set of cabin seats for a Gulfstream 650. The set of seats came in for a recover. And once we moved the covers, we noticed that they had deteriorating foam. So we notified the customer, and now we've moved from a recover to a full foam rejob. We've removed all of the foam off the seat and preparing it for new foam. Here we have a set of seats that have been refoamed, so we had to remove the top layer of foam, and we are currently in the process of replacing it with new foam, which is all FAA approved and FAR approved. All right, here we have our two racks that currently have our leather that's for the projects that we're currently working on. The leathers that we use are high-end leathers. They're from Italy. They go through a process of a dye that is then applied with a flame retardant, which allows them to be FAR regulated and approved. Here we have a set of seats that's been approved. We made new foam. Once we had the foam, we made patterns and then used the patterns to cut out our parts for the seats and sew them together and installed the covers. We also provide diamond stitching or further upgrades that can be as extensive as just about anything you can think of out there.